The benefits of pursuing CCBA certification for business analysts. We'll explore the various benefits of obtaining CCBA certification for business analysts, including career advancement, professional development, industry recognition, and enhanced job opportunities. Why pursue CCBA certification? Career advancement. Obtaining CCBA certification can open doors to new career opportunities and higher salary potential. Professional development. The process of preparing for the certification exam allows business analysts to deepen their knowledge and skills in areas such as project management, business process improvement. Industry recognition. Holding CCBA certification demonstrates to employers and peers that you have met the rigorous eligibility requirements and passed a comprehensive exam. Skills enhancement. The CCBA certification process involves studying a wide range of business analysis techniques, tools, and best practice. Job opportunities. Many companies actively seek out CCBA certified professionals when hiring for business analyst roles. Conclusion. In conclusion, pursuing CCBA certification for business analysts can bring a wealth of benefits, including career advancement, professional development, industry recognition, skills enhancement, and job opportunities.